Guys, so I'm here at Buena Vista Community College, and now we were going to ask our classmates. I am going to ask my classmates about their allowance every week, every day, or every month. So first, Barbie, pili mo ba day every day? 50.
40 pamasahe,
10. Okay. Ikaw, Donrel, how about you?
100.
Wow! Saan mo gamitan?
20 padong diri, 20 padong uli. Na palit pound 40. So, makuha na ako kay kilang 20.
Thank you.
Yes, bigyan naman!
Meets, how about you? 200?
Kani pilay ba ang tagad sa?
Well, 71k man daw.
Wala!
100. Asa man na 100?
20, pamliti pa uli.
Anya, snacks.
50.
Char. Okay. Ikaw, IZ. Pila allowance mo everyday or everyday?
Everyday,
Yes.
kung yapi lang transportation na kay paan? 80. Okay. Gasolina na ako 50.
Ikaw, Rosalie, how about you? Pila ibaw nimo every week, every month? Gawin din ka wala?
Wala.
So, unsa ba? Every day.
100 ra.
100. So, asa man na mo gamit ang 100?
Pwede sudan, snacks, o kuan. Marato.
Thank you. How about you, Lovely?
Lawan na play.
Pila man nimo allowance every day?
100.
So, asa man ang 100? Tugon ni galaw so.
Transportation
Pila?
50. 60.
Pila?
Sakaon.
Okay. Hi. Pila yung allowance nimo every day, every week?
Every day, every week is 250 kay every 50. Then ego ra pang 50. Yawa.
Kudumay ka. Allowance. Every day. Ako makaka-boarding house every day.
50?
Sa asa man na?
50. Ano? For pampalit of snacks and lunch.
Okay. Ikaw, Mariel. Pila allowance mo every day?
100 or lagi 100.
Asa man na mo magamit?
Kuan 60 back and forth kunya pagkaon ng 40.
Ikaw, huy! Ay, sa tabi! Sa chika! Bila yung allowance mo every day. Alin na kay? Pwede ka lang? 150. So, asa man mo gamiton? Pila, plite.
60 ba 1/4 kaon ya mga
Yan na pa kayo, makuha na matigong.
50.
Dato, lagi mo daw, ikaw te.
Wala dahil kumasakit lang.
How about Mariela, do not go away. Pila ba ni mo every day? 1K?
100 pesos. No,
Sure.
100 pesos.
Asa ba na? Transportation, pila.
For transportation, 40 pesos. The rest will be for food, of course. And water.
Okay, ikaw, Kim.
Ano man?
Pila allowance mo every day?
It varies, but
Kasagaran.
more or less, mga 80 lang.
Para, kan.
20, 20, 40, tanan, back and forth. Na, sudan, sa food.
Okay, thank you very much. So that's all. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you. That's our entry. Visit English 2C in Buena Vista Community College. Thank you.